Hi everyone! Today we're going to have a look at opposites. So what are opposites? First of all, some examples used in our daily lives. So let's have a look at large and small. Something could be really large, but it could also be really small. Large and small are opposites. Something could be really expensive or really cheap. Those are called opposites as well. So a present could cost 5,001 euros or 0.05 cents. So we have an expensive gift or a cheap gift. We could have it really hot or really, really cold. So those are opposites as well. But when do we use opposites in our daily lives? Let's have a look at positive and negative. So when are we positive? When we're really happy. And negative when we are angry or sad. We could also see it with temperature. We could say that something is above zero, so that it's getting warmer and warmer, so 5 degrees or 30 degrees, or it could get colder, so minus 5 degrees or minus 10 degrees or minus 15 degrees. All the numbers above zero, that's what we call positive numbers because it's warm. All numbers below zero are called negative zero since it's really cold. So please write this down in your notebooks. That positive are all numbers greater than zero. For instance, so these are just examples: 3, 4, 8, 9.1, 100. Negative numbers are all numbers less than zero. So for instance, minus 3, minus 4, minus 8, minus 9.1, minus 100. So please write it down in your notebook. You can pause the video. Alright, so let's have a look at words that are indicating positive and negative. We could talk about positive and negative. Above zero, so positive, or below zero, which is negative. Over zero, positive. Under zero, negative. An increase, so the numbers are getting bigger and bigger and bigger, the value of the numbers. That's an increase, it's positive. Or a decrease, where the value of the numbers are getting smaller and smaller. And we could have a profit, so a company could make a profit where they earn a lot of money, or they can have a loss, where they lose a lot of money. We could have right and left, faster like a cheetah, or slower like a snail. We could win or we could lose. We could have the north or south, east and west. For the last two examples, and for right and left, I can show you the set of axes. You will learn this. A set of axes has north, east, south, west written on it, and left and right. As you can see, all numbers on the right are positive, so that's why our right is positive. All numbers on the left-hand side are negative. So they are, in this case, in blue. All numbers that go to the north are positive, while the numbers that go to the south are negative. To the east is positive and to the west is negative as well. Please make a little copy of this in your notebook so that you won't forget. You will need this in the next paragraph. Alright, so if you have any questions about one of the numbers, then please ask it now.